Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. Man, I am tired. I'm beat. It's Friday, day before Halloween, working all day long, running around town and whatnot. But a really fun day, all right? Air to fuel ratio is a lot better. And I got to go and see a good friend. I've been really wanting to show him my turbo system. All right, this is an individual I really look up to. I look up to a few people, and this is one of them. His name's Greg, all right? He's driving my truck. You'll see more video here in a minute. Please excuse the wind noise. For some reason, I have my camera hanging out the window, my arm hanging out the window with the camera, so a little bit of wind noise got in there. But anyway, this is somebody I'm going to have help me with this turbo system. I mean, to get it right, like it's supposed to be on the truck. That's how right I want this thing to be. All right, it's going really, really, really good right now, so there's no reason to not have it just totally right. Now, you'd probably wonder why I don't just do it myself. You know, I don't think that's a good idea, in my opinion, and with my experience just on bigger type projects, all right? I'd rather some other individuals step back and look at it and say, hey, maybe we try that. And I'd have never have thought of it, right? So, you know, I need that. I need individuals to step back. All right, it got put on a rack today, which is really cool. And these guys at V&V Automotive, they're super awesome. They're super badass. They took a look at the truck and they already had, boom, ideas of popping, and that's exactly what I need. All right, so like I said, I want this thing to basically seem like it came on the truck from the factory. That's kind of what I want it to be like, all right? So hot damn hell yeah, enjoy this little video here. It's just a little entertainment, all right? We kind of, the truck gets a little going here. So hot damn hell yeah, enough of my jibber jabbering, and here's the rest of the video that we started out in the beginning of this video, right? I give you a teaser. Hot damn. Yeah. You can make it completely quiet too, where you don't hear it at all. Close it up. Yeah, dude, that's special. And it's hot right now. When the air temps are half, you feel a lot more, you know, pickup. I'm with Greg here, V&V Automotive. He's the man. This guy's the man. He's gonna help me.
No, you're the guy.
No. Just have it really short to the turbo. It helps build the boost really quickly. But yeah, I want it out the back. About 3,800 RPMs. Getting a good little chugging. I'm not pushing into it, pushing my back into the seat, gas pedal.
Every time I ride in the passenger seat in my truck, it's like,
That's great.
Yeah, that's cool. Is that not cool?
I like it. Yeah. I really like it. I just need help getting it right. It's gotta be right. I gotta have it right.
Well,
And I can't.
Hang tight, man. We'll spend a day on it next
That's,
weekend.
I am, got plenty of time. We got plenty of time.
Hell yeah.
See it, look. Only 138 versus other numbers I see. But if it was circulating, we would probably be at ambient. Without ice. With ice, we get under ambient, get more dense air. Woo! Really fine. Spotted. Where's he at? Over there. Yep, spotted.
Oh man. Oh, key on.
Might want to let. Yeah. Oh yeah. You don't have to leave it on. That's right. Because it's not hot.
You sure?
Yeah. I don't. You know what? I've burnt it up like 3 times already. So we might have to get another one. At V&V Automotive here. This is the place. This is the place to be, to get it done and get it done right. Tell you what, spotted. Here, getting it done right. How in the hell yeah, get some? I love this truck. Turbo boosting and goosing. Just here, stopping by, making a visit, and having some fun. Strokered. It's pretty badass. All right, hot damn hell yeah, y'all have the good weekend. Happy Halloween, and hell yeah, just a little fun ride, just a little test dump.